Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. We are so excited to have just launched 6 new teas this past week and wanted to feature one of them for Tea of the Week this week. Introducing Organic Circulation Support. This blend is made with 7 natural ingredients and has a spicy and earthy flavor. The first ingredient is organic ASSAM. ASSAM is a rich black tea that has been proven to help open up arteries and improve blood circulation. Additionally, black tea has been shown to help lower cholesterol and assist in preventing blood clots. Next up is organic ginger. Ginger has been shown to improve body circulation because it contains magnesium, chromium, and zinc. Drinking ginger teas can also assist in lowering blood pressure and helping to prevent heart attacks. Organic cacao nibs are the next ingredient. Cacao nibs are a less processed and less sweet version of dark chocolate. Cacao contains flavanols, which promote circulation and healthy blood pressure by increasing production of nitric oxide. This maintains the elasticity of blood vessels. These red berries are organic hawthorn berries. Hawthorn has been shown to protect against heart disease and help control high blood pressure and cholesterol. Both animal and human studies suggest hawthorn increases coronary artery blood flow, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Next up is everyone's favorite superfood, organic turmeric. Turmeric is an amazing ingredient overall and is known to help increase blood flow. Additionally, both Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine have utilized turmeric since ancient times to open blood vessels and improve blood circulation. Our 6th ingredient is organic ginkgo. Ginkgo was added to this blend because laboratory studies have shown that ginkgo improves blood circulation by opening up blood vessels and making the blood less sticky. In addition, ginkgo is shown to improve overall vein health. And finally, we have organic black pepper. Although this ingredient is usually something cracked onto savory dishes, black pepper appears in this blend for its ability to open blood vessels and quicken circulation. Now that we've talked about the ingredients that go into this tea, let's make a fun recipe with it. I'm going to start with about 4 teaspoons of my organic circulation support tea into this teapot and add about 8 ounces of hot water. While this is steeping, I'm going to make my cold foam, which is just going to be a little bit of oat milk, some cinnamon, a little bit of ground ginger, a little bit of vanilla syrup, and I'm going to froth that until it about doubles in size. To get my tea cooled down quicker, I'm just going to remove my infuser, you could remove your tea bag at this point, and then add a cupful of ice and stir it until everything is melted. Now I'm just going to pour my cooled down tea over some ice and top it with my frothed oat milk. This drink tastes a lot like an iced chai latte, but has a bunch more health benefits than a typical Starbucks one, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a really fun way to enjoy this tea. I hope you give organic circulation support a try or recommend it to someone who you think would like it. I'll leave a link down in the description below for all of our 6 new blends that we just came out with, so you can check them all out on our website. Have a great rest of your week, and I hope you enjoyed Tea of the Week. Bye-bye!